Hi everyone, welcome to this video on the invasive organism Heterobasidion parviporum. This fungus, also known as the conifer root and stem rot pathogen, poses a threat to coniferous forests around the world. It can cause significant damage to trees, leading to economic losses for the forest industry and potential ecological impacts as well. In this video, we will explore the taxonomy, detection and identification, origin and world distribution, about hosts, biological cycle of this species, ecology, pathways for dissemination and how it is spread around the forest areas, and damage and economic impact it has, and risk factors and measures for eradication and control of Heterobasidion parviporum. So let's get started. So let's take a closer look at what we know about this organism. As an taxonomic perspective, we can say that this species belongs to the Heterobasidium genus, which is part of the Basidiomycota phylum. It is a fungal pathogen that attacks the roots and lower stems of conifer trees, causing rot and decay. Regarding detection and identification of Heterobasidion parviporum, it can be challenging, but researchers have developed new R-based methodologies to optimize its identification. And there is DNA methylation and transcriptomic profiling have also been used to study the organism's genetic makeup. So now we can detect and identify in the lab very easily. So regarding biological cycle, Heterobasidion parviporum has a two-phase life cycle involving both sexual and asexual reproduction. Its spores can remain viable for years in the soil, waiting for an opportunity to infect a host. And Heterobasidion parviporum thrives in damp conditions and can spread rapidly through root systems. Its infection can weaken trees and make them more susceptible to other stresses such as drought. Heterobasidium parviporum can be spread through root contacts between trees. Contaminated logging equipment can be a reason, and even by wind-dispersed spores. Once established, it can persist in the soil for decades. And regarding damage and economic impact, Heterobasidion parviporum can cause significant economic damage to timber industries and forest ecosystems. Infected trees can become unstable and dangerous, leading to increased risk of accidents. So risk factors regarding this species is this is more increased. The risk of Heterobasidium parviporum infection is due to dense stands of conifers. It can be environmental stressors and improper forest management practices. Heterobasidium parviporum is native to Europe and is widespread across the continent. In recent years, it has also been detected in North America and Asia, likely due to human activity. This species attacks a variety of conifer species, including Norway spruce, European spruce, and squash pine. It can also infect some broadleaf trees as well. And most of the research articles we have found is from Norway, because they are facing a lot of issues with this species in their forest and plantation areas. So measures for eradicating and controlling Heterobasidion parviporum include tree removal, chemical treatments, and sanitation protocols for logging equipment. Like in this photo, you can see that below the saw there is a spray of chemicals for sanitizing the log and the stumps. However, prevention is the best strategy, and through measures such as thinning stands and avoiding planting susceptible species in high-risk areas can be done. Heterobasidium parviporum is a serious threat to the health of coniferous forests worldwide. By understanding its biology and ecology, we can take steps to prevent its spread and protect our forests for generations to come. I think from this video we have a brief idea about this species. Thanks everyone for watching.